back to my channel. If you are new here, we'll talk about cryptocurrency, Web3, and how these technologies are changing the world. Today, we'll be diving into Solana, one of the fastest and the most talked about blockchain out there. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is Solana? Solana is a blockchain network like Ethereum or Bitcoin. It is built to be super faster and very cheap to use. Think of it like a global computer. Everyone can use to build apps like games, NFTs, payment platforms, and more without a middleman or a bank. The goal of Solana is to make crypto apps run as fast as regular apps on your phone, like Instagram, Facebook, and the rest, while staying secured and decentralized. The history of Solana, from white paper to ecosystem. Solana was created in the year 2017 by a man named Anatoly Yakovenko. He noticed that most blockchains were too slow to handle lots of users. So he came up with a new idea, a way to timestamp transactions automatically. And that idea became the foundation of Solana. In the year 2020, Solana launched its main network, and since then, it grew into a huge ecosystem with thousands of projects, from DeFi apps to NFT marketplace and even Web3 games. Why Solana is so fast? Now, here's the cool part. Solana's secret weapon is something called proof of history, or PH. Instead of waiting for everyone to agree on time for each transactions like blockchain, Solana already knew when a transaction happens because every event gets a timestamp. That's what makes Solana handle thousands of transactions per second, making it the fastest blockchain in the world. The native token of Solana. Just like Ethereum has its, Bitcoin has BTC, Solana has its own token called SOL. You can use SOL to pay for transaction fees on the network, stake it to help secure the blockchain, trade or use it inside Solana apps or marketplace. So basically, SOL keeps the whole Solana ecosystem running. It's the fuel that powers everything. Solana is a fast, low-cost, and developer-friendly blockchain built to help the crypto apps run smoothly for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be breaking down more topics on Solana. See you in my next video.